Ma'am, you also mentioned about normal glucose level while fasting and what it should be if a person has taken a meal or not. But could you also define alarming limits for the diabetic patient, and what should be the targeted limits?
So if someone has diabetes, there are different targets for different people. When you say alarmingly high, I think the idea behind high blood glucose and why we define diabetes, everything is, as I said, over a long period of time, even small little high blood glucose can affect kidneys, eyes. So any level more than normal is actually high. However, we always need not bring down glucose levels to normal in everyone. Let me put it right. If someone is recently diagnosed for the first 5 to 10 years of diabetes, second, if someone is young, less than 60 years or less than 50 years of age, then we want to bring down blood glucose levels as close to normal as possible, because at this age, if we try to intensively control glucose levels, the impact after 40-50 years would be less. So it's not just the amount of blood glucose but also the duration of exposure. So young age, the duration of exposure will be more and the risk of complication is high. But at the age of 65-70, if we try to bring down glucose levels too low and in the process add too many medicines, that can have a counter effect, because the medicines may have their own side effects, especially hypoglycemia, and bringing it down too low may not help much. So the targets change according to age and duration of diabetes. If someone has diabetes for 15-20 years, then we may not want to bring it too low. So a young person, short duration of diabetes, keep your fasting blood glucose levels between 80 and 120, and after eating less than 180, of course without causing any side effects of medicine. If you are more than 60-65 years of age with a long duration of diabetes, then any fasting less than 150 is fine. Try not to push it down too low, not below 90 for sure. And after eating less than 200 is fine. Sometimes little higher is also okay. That we have to balance with the side effects of medicine. So the targets and alarming level would change depending on various factors.